Physicists have been arguing for 100 years over what collapses the wave function. Genesis 1 answered it in verse 3, and nobody in church is telling you this. Quantum mechanics says this: before you measure a particle, it does not exist as a particle. It exists as a wave of pure potential. Every possible outcome superimposed over every other possible outcome. All of them are real, none of them are actual. Then something measures it and the wave collapses. One outcome becomes real and all the others vanish. The hardest version of the question is whether consciousness itself is the measuring agent. A century of physicists, the argument is still open. Now, read Genesis 1 alongside that. In the beginning, the earth was without form and void. The Hebrew is tohu vavohu, formless, chaotic, the wave function of creation. Every possible outcome, none of them have collapsed yet. The deep is in superposition. The spirit hovers over the wave. Then comes the verb. Amar, he said, let there be light. And the wave collapses. One outcome becomes real. The chaos resolves into a particle. The waters above separate from the waters below. The geometry locks in. Speech is the collapsing function. That is the shape of Genesis 1. Word goes out, reality snaps into form. If you have ever wondered why the firmament is fixed, why the foundations of the earth do not move, this is the answer. The word locked the geometry, and the wave has stayed collapsed because the word is still speaking. Tell me in the comments, were you ever taught Genesis 1 this way in the church? I'm guessing no. This is part 1 of a 3-part series because the wave needs a measuring agent, and the measuring agent has a name. If you want to know who collapses the wave, follow along. Part 2 is next. Stay tuned, stay awake, keep your heart fixed on Christ. Many blessings.